Welcome my friends, today we are going to sketch this Allen key. I hope you enjoy. Let's start. File on new, part, OK. Choose front plane, a sketch. Go to sketch, choose polygon. Polygon with 6 sides, OK. Start from origin, OK. Go to smart dimension, give this side 80, OK. OK. Choose this side, make it horizontal, OK. OK. Exit isometric, go to right plane, number 2, OK. Choose line, select line, start from origin, OK. Go to smart dimension, choose this side, give it 15 millimeter, OK. Give this side also 50 millimeter, OK. OK. Choose fillet, sketch fillet, give radius of 5 and to this corner, OK. OK. Isometric, exit sketch. So go to features, suit boss base, OK. Choose this side, OK, and choose this one. You see, this is good, OK. Say OK. So this is how to create Allen key with using SOLIDWORKS. I hope you have enjoyed the videos. So make white plane, yes, OK. Add material, appearance, select metal, steel, choose matte steel, OK. This is how to add different material, matte steel, and how to add colors, different colors. Select this one, OK. Go to different color, choose any color you want, OK. OK. So friends, this is how to create Allen key by using SOLIDWORKS. I hope you have enjoyed the videos. See you next.